Oh my goodness, look at these birds! Oh my Jesus! Oh my gosh! What happened, birds? The first time I talked with my husband, he was on the phone, I was in the Philippines before, and I heard a lot of birds tweeting, and I told him, hey, are you living in mountains? They're like, no, I'm living in a city, in San Antonio City. I was like, why? There's a lot of birds. He's like, we have a lot of birds here. Oh, really? Because here, it's only in the mountains that there's a lot of birds. I know, look, oh my gosh! They're playing, it's Christmas! Yay, they're happy too! Oh my god, it's my first time to see these, like, birds are playing around. Oh my goodness. I know. It is my first time that they're flying around, like all of them in one time. Look at them. They're happy too. It's Christmas. They say Merry Christmas. Happy birthday, Jesus. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. They're just playing around. Right? Oh my goodness, look at them. Oh my gosh, it looks scary. Like if you're outside and they will like flock into you. Oh my goodness. It's so cute, but yeah, so they're there now in the electric wires. Oh, they're flying right here. Oh my
How many
goodness.
poops you have in your car?
It's my first time seeing this lots of birds, baby. Look! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! That's crazy.
Flocking.
Yeah. Oh look! The sky is so beautiful.
They're ready to go to sleep. That's why.
Oh yeah.
They're riding to the poops. There's so many birds that they gotta.
Oh my gosh! It's so crazy. Maybe this is the time that you know what I was thinking that in the Egypt time, how the Lord was look. But this is not birds. Before it was locusts. That they destroyed Egypt because they don't want to let go the Hebrews people, the Israelites. So that's why they gave them locusts. And I remember like how it feels like that. Oh my goodness. Oh, the only one who really knew me at all. Oh my gosh. That's it. Oh, look how beautiful the sky is. Oh my gosh. Look at me now. My San Antonio. Oh my gosh, isn't it beautiful? Gotta take.
Turn it up, baby, if you're not watching it.
I wish I could just make you turn around and see me cry. Say to you, smile.